Beautiful day. I'm here to donate blood. Here it is. I feel like I had curry on my face the whole time I was there. But I got some snacks for Vince really and a juice. And I am done. What time is it? Okay, so I got there around like 8:05, so it took about 40 minutes. Not bad. Finished this water closet unclogging job, and hold on, let me get a better angle for you. And I really thought that I wasn't gonna be able to unclog it because halfway through the cable didn't go through. And I kept pushing it and doing it at different angles and like starting it at different angles and it wouldn't go through. So I just had to like really put a bunch of bunch of pressure and just push through it and spin it as I go, and it went all the way and I pulled it out. The first time I was like, oh, I feel like it didn't do much, but the water was going down and it cleared the clog. Look at what happened. Wow. I think it's ready to be rooted in soil. This one has root. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Root 2. Cool. It's beautiful outside today, everybody. Beautiful day. My armpit's not even sweaty that much yet. Just a little bit maybe. Today's gonna be a short day. I was only able to book myself one job, which is fine because I have to go back to a client that I installed a dimmer switch for yesterday, which happened to be a much longer job than expected. She wanted to put these like decorative piece right underneath the actual ceiling mount, and it just like holds it up there. So I had to like remove and rewire everything to get that thing over. Look, isn't this cool? Vince got me black masks and I love it. It makes me look so like undercover. We're at the park, relaxing. I'm gonna try to journal a little bit and then just get some fresh air. Here, this is a little bit brighter and better. But it's such a beautiful blue sky day today. It's Saturday, I am working, and I'm very grateful that I have been able to book so many jobs. Oh, where's my keys? Got it. Really quick, that was a 15-minute job installing a shower head from Nordstrom. It's like a T3 shower head, like a really huge one with the filter inside, really pretty. That was really quick, and the client was so nice. So nice. She's gonna hire me directly, hopefully. Oh my god, it's a dog park. Huge dog park right there. And just an open field. Oh my gosh, I wish I brought the dogs. Cambria jail?
That's scary.
Look at that. Look at this. beautiful day in Cambria.
Oh, my mom would love something from here. Oh my god. 1890?
Wow, so all those people left.
Is that this building here?
There's Chinese people here.
Oh, fascinating.
It's like a little park.
Is that, I wonder what that means in Chinese, is that?
I think it's, wait. Wait, I can't tell. Secret lovers. What happened? Why you Eskrimo? Wow. Little creek. Heaven's here.
Hey, baby.
There's cows over there.
Oh, over there.
There's probably growing bees over there. Not doing it. A cow over there. Marlo's here. Anthony's here. We are in a city called Harmony with population 18 people. Fun fact from Marlo.
It says right there.
18.
Holy cow.
One grabbing a frisbee. There's one up there. So they make the ice cream out of the cows from here, huh?
That I don't know. Did make it?
Oh, someone herding it? Oh yeah, wow. With the dogs. Good dogs.
We've seen them last time.
Well, that one has a white head. Sticks out like a sore thumb.
Actually, it could stay one more night.
No, I have a job tomorrow. What's the elephant seal? Look at this ginormous little slugs. Oh my gosh. Baby one? Just sleeping. Oh, so cute. Wow. Cool. So they're doing battles for dominance right now. We just saw one, Marlon pointed out. It had like scratches on its chest, which means that they fought before. Wow, it's so beautiful out.
They're so mean. Look at it. Stand back. Ooh. That's got a pouch.
Oh.
Yeah, you can hear their teeth clacking together.
Oh my god. Holy crap, that is so insane. Oh! Ah!
Oh, I bet that one's gonna fight with this one.
That one's running
That
away.
makes a challenge.
Oh my god, there's 3 of them now.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, are they gonna come up? Holy crap. I can really see that trunk. That's insane.
It ran away?
It really looks like an elephant. That one really looks... Oh, sorry. A Christmas present from my sister. With this snowman. Local kind snowman. card. She wrapped some folder paper in here. Let's see. Ooh, what's this? Big Island Organic Hawaiian Honey. Oh, wow. Macadamia nut taro shortbread. Wow. Lilikoi. Oh! Oh, we can make halpia. I love it. Oh my god, I can't remember the last time I had halpia. More macnut. Mochi pancake mix. Ooh, mochi pancake. Of course, macnut. Garlic shrimp mix. Ooh, we can make like shrimp daddy stuff. Or like Giovanni stuff. I don't know who this is from, but this is from somebody in Colorado, I think. I love calendars. Exciting.